Yeah?
And this is just basically
Does it make the quality way better?
way better. The sound quality actually. And this one is actually wide angle,
Yeah.
and you have the full roll out. That's the best.
Hey guys! Welcome back to another food vlog.
Yes, we're back in action.
Yes, today we're gonna be reviewing.
We're gonna be reviewing.
What do you call this
What?
food, babe? Donair?
We got
Just
this from Donair.
We got this one on, where was it? It was
We got this on Fraser and Broadway.
Fraser and Broadway, yeah. It's where we usually go to if like we're craving for some Donair.
So this is what I got. As you could see on the first video, this guy was making it. He was so good. He was the owner of this place. Babe. He's my best friend. He owns this place. He makes my food 100% better than any other Donair. So yeah, the guy who was making the Donair, he was the freaking best, you know, because he makes mine like, you know, better, more than any other customer maybe, you know.
Yes, and what's this, babe?
I think that's the same thing with this. If you order
Yeah.
this,
So if you order a platter, you'll get this. I think they call it pita. Yeah, pita. It's some kind of tinapa. It's like a
mona.
flat bread. It's
Yeah.
not mona, babe. What's mona?
I don't know.
Pandesal? Pandesal. So here I have this to-go box. This is where you put
Oh
the
my
food
God.
to go. If you get it to go, this is where you get it. So
I would normally get, you know, the one on the box so I could eat it.
yeah, but today he decided to like get them. So here I have this. Oh my god, that looks so good.
God.
Dang it! Oh my god, I'm so hungry. But I got chicken, some dipping sauce. I don't know what they call, but they're so good. Some Greek salad right here. I love those. So bomb.
Beef is separated from the rice. And babe, that looks so good. Let me show it to the camera.
Yes.
Oh my god, babe, I can't even. That looks so good. I wanna have some of yours.
Yes, you can have it because I love you.
Aww. Love you too, babe. I can't show mine because it's wrapped. It's basically the same thing, but mine's wrapped. So you know,
Well, you can show it to them if you
like
can.
if I'm halfway, maybe I could show it to you guys.
What's inside? But it's basically the same thing. But is there rice inside? Actually,
There is.
there is. Yes, it's basically the same thing, but they put it in a wrap. But yeah, I think we're gonna start it.
We got this so cheap.
It's
Besides
very-
me being a friend with that owner, no, he gives me a discount.
It's very
all the time.
affordable. Yes.
So if you wanna go there, go to Fraser. Is it on
Fraser
Broadway?
and Broadway. It's like
Broadway.
on the 10th Avenue or something. Yeah.
10th Avenue. Like
10th Avenue.
on the corner there's a convenience store, and he's inside a convenience store. You know.
Yeah.
It's a very small Donair, no resto.
Yeah.
But,
Yes. So I got this for how much, babe?
well, both of these are the same price.
Same price. The total
So
was.
total was 23.
It's very, very affordable, so you guys have to try the place out.
So probably hers is $10.
Yeah, mine was 10
Mine's
bucks.
$10, so it's 20 bucks. It's gonna total to $20, but after tax, you know, 21 or 22.
It's still pretty cheap for two, you know. So it's good.
So right, guys, this is what we got. You know, we're gonna, you know, eat in front of you.
Yeah.
Pwede ka makapagap ng bangka mo. mawala daw sa sarili.
Mawala sa sarili niya, sir. Basta yung mga anak ko, hindi mawala sa akin.
Magpapakamatay na nga kami ng anak ko, wala kang imig eh.
Siyempre, tinitingnan ko kung talagang mahalaga ako sa inyo.
Tinetesting mo lang.
Sir.
Basta yakapin mo na.
Alright guys,
So that's it for tonight. It was so good. We finished the whole thing.
well, I finished mine first.
Yeah, he finishes first.
Exactly,
It's
because
okay. I'm a slow eater, so that's fine.
I'm more
I mean,
hungry.
that is fine.
Yeah.
You take your time.
I'm starving.
You were starving. You were starving.
That
You
was my
still-
first and last meal.
It was actually mine too. My first and
That's
last
my
meal.
first and last meal. Ganun kami katipid.
Yes.
We don't buy food every single day. We buy cheap food and then, you know, trying to be fit.
So yeah, that's it for today, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. Please
Don't forget to subscribe
and give us a thumbs up.
because we are doing this. We are doing this regularly. Yeah. We're just, you know, doing it just for fun.
Yeah, we're gonna do more.
You know, and for you guys to view our channel or our videos, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing more food vlogs for the next few days. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, we love you guys. Take care.
Good night.
Good night. Hey guys, this is the 2000 Pizza Challenge. Do you like my gift?
I do. I love it.
Since it's Valentine's, we're gonna have our dinner at home.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put this away.